Hello, Morgan. What's that? What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Money.
Welcome.
Channel. What is it?
What's that?
Phone.
Okay. Good.
Hey!
I'm RJ.
I'm just drinking with
My
this.
name
My name
is
is.
Robert John.
I tried to drink this water juice.
Okay, what's this?
What?
What's that? What's that?
Juice. Juice.
It's a juice?
RJ.
Okay, what color is the juice? What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Play to party.
Okay, let's go. Hey Nathan, do you want to join?
Don't record me.
Your shoes.
Where are you going?
Get your shoes. Come on, let's go to Mama.
Oh, forgot my What? Cat?
It's a chat.
Meow. Meow.
Okay. Which one?
A car.
The white one or that one?
A car. White. Oh, a car.
The white one?
Yeah.
You want the white one?
Which one's the white one? Which one is the white one?
Okay, I'll just get it raining. How can we go outside when it's raining?
What?
Are you sad
Yeah.
because it's raining?
No.
You want to go outside?
Yeah.
But it's raining.
It's not raining. It's not raining.
Rain. Go away. Come again another day. Little RJ Morgan wants to play. Rain, rain.
I'm trying to go to Mama.
away.
I'm trying to go to Mama. They're trying to get on your car. They're trying to get on your car.
Yeah. It's still raining.
Trying to protect.
What nangyari?
We're going to get sick
What happened?
outside. We're getting sick outside.
Yes.
Go
away.
The kid says.
Come again
The kid says.
another
The
day.
raining sick.
Little Morgan. Rain, rain, go away.
No, he's not getting higher.
It's getting angry here. What? Where's the cat? Okay. No more
Cat.
cat. Bye, cat. Rain.
Jump!
Jump, 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 jump. Oh. What? Oh. What do you see? Dance! Dance ka muna! Tan 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 ganto! Yeah, like this, like this. Up muna. Let's go up and wait for the rain to stop. Let's wait for the rain at the window. Come on. Okay, come on. Let's check. RJ, come on. RJ, let's go.
The orange.
Okay.
You go like this.
Yes.
Alcohol. The alcohol.
Yes. There. Okay, that's it. Okay. Go build the stair. Where's your stairs?
What?
Here. Put it there. Put it there. This.
Under stairs.
Yes.
And then the last
Morgan, is it still raining?
Yeah. Mama's not coming. He's not bringing the car. He's still in the house.
What?
He's still in the house.
Mama's not coming? Mama's coming. Let's wait for Mama. Morgan, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, I can't.
You love Daddy's Switch? Here,
Yeah.
go here. Bring it here.
I love Daddy's Switch.
And open it.
Yeah.
Hmm? What? It's still raining, Morgan.
Oh.
There. Okay.
So. Can we? Which one will you turn on?
Press.
Can you pick this?
Yeah. Pick the third one.
You can move it. Oh,
There.
this
Then
one.
press A.
It's not red.
Touch it. Oh no, it's not. Okay. There. Press A. One more.
Wow, why is there footprints?
Hmm?
Why is there footprints?
Yeah, there are footprints there. Come on here. Here. You watch.
Wait.
Come on. Later na yan. Huwag mo muna isuot yan. Wait. Wait, wait. We're going.
Right way, it's the right way. Oh, my phone.
We're going. Morgan, where are we going?
I want to go to Mama's house.
Mama's house? Okay, later. Hey, Morgan. Okay, we're going.
Where am I going?
Come on.
To Mama's house? We're going to Mama's house?
What?
Mama's
Hey, wear your seatbelt. Where's your seatbelt, Morgan? Where's your seatbelt? Dali. Bakaw. Bakaw mo. Dali. Sige mo. Wala. Okay, there. Very good. Aba? Morgan is safe. Morgan is safe. Okay. How about Kuya RJ?
Wait lang. What did I say?
Yeah. Go buckle yourself.
Backing.
Yeah.
Check. Where's the check?
Okay, very good. Is it safe now? Okay. How about Mama?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Protect my phone. I'll hold this. I'm gonna hold this.
Oh. Are you happy, Morgan? Where are we going?
Daddy's gonna drive fast.
Where are we going?
Cool.
Huh? School?
Oh my god, my phone.
Okay, here. We're going here in the ice cream parlor. Where's the ice cream parlor? I don't know. There's the ice cream parlor. Here. Yay! There you go. Hey Morgan, what's that? RJ.
Yung ano mo? I like the...
Chocolate. Okay.
What you want? Sinigang, ano?
Ito na lang din. Hmm.
Strawberry ayaw. Strawberry.
Saan? Baka hindi nila magustuhan eh. You want this? Okay. Ito mo. Ito. Ito masarap. Ito eh. Sakto lang.
It's so cold.
Mango caramel gusto mo?
Cold.
Sige, pwede.
O sige.
Ice cream is cold?
Ilan tayo?
Daddy, ice cream is cold?
Morgan, Daddy, Mommy, RJ, and Nathan. You want ice cream?
No.
I don't know. What's this? Huh?
did broke.
What?
Your camera did broke.
Yes. Come on.
Wait mama. Papayong ka ba na?
Hindi na.
Maulan.
Come on, let's go.
It's not raining
We're going back, Morgan? We're going back? Go. Hey, you're gonna sit at the back or here in the front?
What outside?
Okay, buckle ka, buckle.
Why
Buckle.
outside is raining?
Put your buckle, come on. Eh, wala yung motor.
Oh! He shake all of them.
Bante mo pa doon kasi dito malakas ang patak ng ulan eh.
Sa Come on.
Oh, it's funny.
Hello, titas.
Thank you.
Look, it's ice cream.
Whoa! Too heavy ice cream. 7. Wow!
That came from ice cream parlor.
I re-go to ice cream parlor.
What? How many? Can I see the ice creams? Can I see the ice creams? What's this one? What's this? What flavor is this?
Why are you quiet?
What's that? It's a chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay, what about this? What about this?
You want Mickey Mouse?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay, what about this?
What's that?
It's a RJ, what are you playing?
This game. It's called Jewel.
Kuya, pero ma'am, pag nag-Hong Kong,
Sige.
Disneyland,
Kailan yung Hong Kong Disneyland mo?
October.
Oh, October. Hey, Morgan, let's go home. Joke lang. Hey, RJ, that's injection. Are you okay?
Tanong-tanong.
Saan siya? Dito, halika.
No,
No, it's okay.
I'm scared.
You're not scared.
No, it's just medication.
Yeah, medication.
Yeah.
No, you're not. No. Morgan, I'm sick. Say, I'm sick. Pupunasan ko na lang siya. Tablet ka na lang, ha? You just watch tablet, okay? Okay. Let's go daddy's room.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
What's she?
Come on. Let's go daddy's room. Okay.
I'm scared of this one.
Come on. Let's go.
I'm
Just
scared.
one.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
You can do it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay. Close your eyes. Ito. Tablet ka. Okay, Morgan is settled now. And then we have a towel for removing the heat. First, we're gonna put alcohol. Morgan, what's this? Alcohol? Morgan. Okay. Alcohol. Oh. The other kid. Hey, RJ.
The switch.
What happened? Yes.
I got switch.
Where is it? Which? Okay. Does it have blood? You wanna check? Can I check?
Yeah. Mommy!
RJ, I want to talk to you, RJ.
Hey.
You see it?
Hey, Morgan, are you sick?
Wait, what?
Let me handle this. It's just a regular watermelon. I can smash it easily.
Tablet niya, Daddy. Charge mo.
Ka-charge ko.
All my snacks are gone. Those nasty ants must have taken them.
Oy, ano na yung sa inyong hair niya?
That's because your carpet cleaned at home.
Oh, nangyari?
Our food.
Uy! Uy, no.
Then we'll share some fruits with
Uy, wag mo kayo mag-away. Shh. No, RJ.
Those pesky ants must have taken
I'm not doing anything. I'm
Oh,
not.
stop it na.
Hey, want some ice? Yes. Do you want
Oh, little strawberry.
Okay, no
How did
more.
your head
Are
get
you
stuck
still
in the
angry,
door?
Morgan?
Hold on, I'll save you. Thank goodness the door finally opened. Little strawberry, are you okay?
Thank you.
Oh my god, why are you so ugly? Get out of here.
Okay, happy Sunday. Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah. What about you?
Can't wait to see what's inside. Get away from me.
How's Sunday?
To heaven today.
You good?
Wait.
What's that?
You don't qualify for heaven.
No.
Yesterday you saw a little baby.
That's so funny.
Hey, how about you? You good?
Yeah.
Did you eat ice cream?
Yeah. Oh!
Night. Good night. Good night. Say good night now. Good night. Say good night. Bye. Good night.
Find another. What if we use this face mask?
She's sick. How about you?
My bone
Bye.
is broke. My bone is broke.
No, your bone is not broken.
That was
What?